And welcome back to another video. In this video, we're installing KDE Plasma on Arch Linux. It's one of the most popular desktop environment for Arch Linux. And without further ado, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and leave a like, and also support me on my Patreon. Let's get started. First of all, we will update our system. So make sure everything is up to date and we are ready for this. So if you have an Arch install that you have been using for a while, then make sure to update it. Then we just have to reboot the system since we just updated it. Now we have to get the Xorg server and Xorg apps, Xorg utility and Xorg renderer, so we can actually render stuff with Xorg, and I do prefer using it, and you can get it as well. After that is done, now we can actually get into the installation process. Now we're going to the input thing, so you can get input. Now if you have a NVIDIA GPU, this is the thing you need. I don't have an NVIDIA GPU, so I will not be doing that, but for other type of GPUs you can use Mesa. So AMD or Intel iGPU, you need Mesa for it. And then we have to install the Plasma Meta or Plasma Desktop depending on what you prefer, and then we just hit install. Now remember, Plasma Desktop and Plasma Meta do not contain any apps or anything with it, so we have to install Console, Dolphin, Arc, and Gate. So these are kind of Plasma NM. So these are the kind of the basic application of what is needed to run a system. So now we just have to install SDDM, which is the display manager for KDE. We can also use JDM, but nope. Now we have to enable SDDM, so we have to do systemctl enable SDDM, and then we have to start it. So now we can do systemctl start and then test now SDDM, and that will enable our desktop environment. And now we are done with installing KDE Plasma on our Arch Linux distribution. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe and also leave a like, and make sure to check out the Patreon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.